students, welcome to English class. Yesterday we have learned lesson circle. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson and you have tried to read also, isn't it? Now students, let's begin with our exercises with hard words, word meanings, making sentences, etc. So, let's start. Now, these are the hard words. Sitting, grandmother, drew, soon, balloon, added, really, clapped, something else, and circle. Word meaning. Grandmother, the mother of one of your parent. Parent means mother or father. Okay. Drew, D-R-E-W, drew means made, M-A-D-E, made or created, C-R-E-A-T-E-D, created. Okay. Next is circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. A round shape, a round shape. Really means truly, T-R-U-L-Y, truly. Zigzag, a line with sharp turns and angles. Joy, happiness. Now, let's make sentences. Ball, drew, balloon, circle, can. Ball. A dog is playing with a ball. Draw. He drew a house. Balloon. Rahi likes to play with balloon. Circle. Circle is a shape. Can. I can draw a car. Now, write opposite meaning of given words. Many, less. Many, less. Big, small. Joy, sadness. Joy, sadness. Now next is write the name of colors. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. B-L-A-C-K, black. R-E-D, red. B-L-U-E, blue. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. P-I-N-K, pink. B-R-O-W-N, brown. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Children, you have to learn this spellings and you have to write it. Even opposite meaning you have to learn. Okay? Now, let's do question answers. Reading is fun. After reading the lesson, we have to give the answers of these questions. What did grandmother and Mohini draw first? What did grandmother and Mohini draw first? The answer is grandmother and Mohini drew a circle first. Grandmother and Mohini drew a circle first. Next question is, what were the colors of the balloons that Mohini drew? What were the colors of the balloons that Mohini drew? The answer is Mohini drew balloons of red, blue, green and yellow color. Mohini drew balloons of red, blue, green and yellow color. Now let's draw. In the circles below, draw what grandmother drew and what Mohini drew. So grandmother, first of all, she drew a circle. Then she drew 3 lines into it and make a ball. The same thing Mohini drew. And then she made a balloon with zigzag lines. The same thing Mohini drew. So you have to draw that by yourself. Now look at these shapes. This is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. See, the lines meet over here. This is called angle. Here and here. So this is triangle. 3 angles. Okay. This is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square has 4 same sides. Okay. This is a side. This one is also side. This one is also side. And this one is also side. How many sides? 4 sides, and 4 sides are equal. In triangle, there are 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay. Now this is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles. And it has 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. And these opposite sides, which are opposite, those sides are equal to each other. Okay. Now try making these shapes into a car, a house, a door and anything else. So for your convenience, I have given the image of car out of these shapes. Can you see this? Then house is given. Now this is a door and this is anything else I have drawn. I have given the image of engine. You can also draw it in your notebook. Okay? Draw along the dots. So what did you make? Can you make sounds like a train? See, we can hear the sound of a train, isn't it? So you can also draw, just match the dots and draw a train. Okay? Do it by yourself in your textbook. Now draw a face on the balloon below. One has been done for you. This one is very scary. Okay? Now you can draw here happy face, sad face or some interesting faces also you can draw by yourself. Do it in your textbook by yourself. Look at the pictures and fill in the blank. This is a dog. D is given. So we have to put O and G. D-O-G, dog. This is a picture of bull. B is given. So you have to write the other letters. B-U-L-L, bull. This is a picture of an elephant. E is given. So rest letters we have to write here. L, E, P, H, A, N, T. So E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T, elephant. This is the picture of owl. O is given. So we have to write W and L. So O, W, L is owl. Now this is the picture of horse. H is given. So O-R-S-E, horse. We have to write H-O-R-S-E, horse. Now this is the picture of cat. C-A-T, cat. C is given. So what will you write? A and T here. Write it as a homework. Do it by yourself. Thank you.